Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do broccoli with dried prawns. Firstly, we are going to prepare our sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and few drops of dark soy sauce. We need to add right amount of water to make our sauce to become thick. Later, put some pepper, as much as you need. Stir it all well together. Next, we are going to add oil into the heated wok. Add the minced garlic. Saute it well. We need to salt the garlic until it turns into a golden color and also crispy, as you can see in the video. Take the garlic out and keep it aside. Next, we are going to fry our washed dried prawns. Take out the dried prawns until it becomes crispy. Next, we are going to add 2 small red chillies. This is our washed broccoli. We need to add our washed broccoli into the wok. Next, we are going to add our sauce that we prepared earlier to our broccoli that is now half cooked. Stir it all well together. Next, we need to steam our broccoli by covering it. We need to off the stove after 5 minutes. After placing our broccoli into a plate, now we are going to add our fried garlic and fried dried prawns on top of it. This is the outcome of our delicious dish for today. Please let us know after trying our dish in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell button and thank you for watching.